balancing equation in basic medium. In the basic medium, two methods are there. The first method we are going to discuss, oxidation number method. The other one is half reaction method. Right. This is one example I am taking. Skeleton equation. This equation we can write from the statement. What is the statement? Ferrous ion oxidizing into ferric ion in the presence of potassium dichromate. This is the statement. कोई भी strong oxidizing agent है. In the presence of strong oxidizing agent, iron, the ferrous salts oxidizing into ferric salts. This is the statement. From the statement we can write this one. Now balancing, right? In the oxidation number method, we have to calculate the oxidation number first. Now, what is the chromium oxidation number here?
7.
Total minus 2 plus 6 or 7. Total 14. 14 में 2 minus होना चाहिए. 12. 12 by 2 6 plus 6. Next year already plus 3 is clear. Now plus 6 to plus 3. Electron losing or gaining? Electron losing or gaining? Electron gaining. Electron gaining. See, simple logic here. Plus 6 means 6 electron deficient. Plus 3 means 3 electron deficient. पहले 6 electron deficient. अभी 3 electron deficient means in the meantime what happened? 3 electron gain. No? Simple. Next, plus 2 plus 3. What happened here? Electron losing or gaining? Electron loss. पहले 2 electron deficients. अभी 3 electron deficients means 1 electron left. Now losing electron is 1. Gaining electrons, how many are there? 3 electron variation. अभी 2 chromiums are there. Means 6 electron variation. So here gaining 6 electrons. Gaining is 6 electrons. Losing only 1 electrons. So where is the remaining 5 electrons? From where it's coming? Obviously it should come from iron only. In that case what we have to do? We have to take more number of irons. How many? Just you balance it into 1 into 6. Balance. That means 6 iron we have to take. 6 iron we have to take. Understood why I am taking 6? Because the losing electron and gaining electron should be equal in the balancing equation. It is gaining 6 electron means it's not coming from any sky or somewhere. Okay, within the equation only electrons are transferring from one compound to another compound, one element to another element. So here chromium is gaining electron means obviously iron is losing electrons. So we have to balance it. Right. The first step clear. Now 2 chromiums balanced, 6 iron balanced. Next work is oxygen we have to balance. Now which is the medium? Basic medium. Right? Basic medium. In the basic medium we will get OH minus, electron and water. Acidic medium में these two common. Instead of OH minus we will get there H plus. So these three we can use whatever you want number, then you have to balance the equation. Right. Now I am going to balance oxygen. Oxygen. So which one I have to take? OH. I have to take OH. Right. How many OH I have to take? 7 OH. Because 7 oxygen is required here. So 7 OH minus. Oxygen balance over. Next target is hydrogen. Next target is hydrogen. There 7 hydrogens are there, here no hydrogen. Right? But I don't have hydrogen separate. But I can do one thing. Wherever I want hydrogen, I will take these two. Take it. Wherever hydrogen, see, ये दोनों में क्या common क्या था? OH is there already. One extra H is there. Okay. So wherever I need hydrogen, there I will take H2O. Same number of OH minus ions, I will add another side. Then OH get cancelled. H resultant we are adding extra. Understood? Right. How many hydrogens I need here? 7 hydrogens I need. Now what I am doing here? 7 H2O I am taking. 7 H2O I am taking. See, H2O means what? HOH only. I need only H term, but I added extra OH. So how many added OH extra? 7. So immediately I am adding here 7 OH. 7 OH, 7 OH get cancelled. 7 hydrogen extra I added. Concept clear? Okay. The OH minus. Right. This is the thing. Now everything balanced. Your equation over. Still, if you have any doubt, you can balance it. See, one more time I will write complete equation. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 iron 2 plus 7H2O is gives us 2 Cr3 plus 6 Fe3 plus 7 OH. 7 already OH is there, so 14 OH. 14 OH minus. Right? Now once you check it, 2 chromiums, right? 6 iron, right? Total 7 plus 7, 14 oxygens. Yeah, 14 oxygens. And 7 into 2, 14 hydrogens. Yes, 14 hydrogens. Now charge balancing. See here, minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12. How much? 10. Plus 10, this side charge. Right here, plus 6 plus 18 minus 14. Minus 14 plus 18 means 4. 4 plus 6, that is 10. So, balanced. Done. Perfectly balanced. Yes? You can note down. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Next, same reaction, half reaction method. The half reaction method, we will split this equation into 2 parts. One is oxidation, one is reduction. If you don't know which is oxidation also, no problem. Same terms you can take in one reaction, like that. Chromium and chromium, I am taking this side. Cr2O7 2 minus is given as Cr3 plus. This is one reaction. Another one is Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. This is the equation. Now we know that plus 2 to plus 3 means generally is the oxidation. Right? Oxidation half reaction. This is the reduction reaction. We know that plus 6 is a reduction. But here it's not required. Okay? If you know, that's better. Right. Now balance the other than hydrogen and oxygen first of all. Other than hydrogen and oxygen. Now what are there? Chromium is there. I kept it here 2. Alright, it's balanced. First step over. First step over. Then the second step. What is that second step? Oxygen balancing. Oxygen balancing. First step is other than O and H. Second step only oxygen. Right. 7 oxygens, no oxygen. So I am adding here 2 Cr3 plus see basic medium. Basic medium is same. That is only. What are those? OH minus H2O and electron. These 3 are there. So I will take OH minus. Right. How many? 7 are there? 7 OH minus. 7 OH minus. Here nothing. Same. Next third step. Reactant to same. If you want, we can write Cr2O7 2 minus. Now next third one is hydrogen balancing. Hydrogen balancing. Right. 7 hydrogens are there. Here no hydrogen. That's why what I am doing here, 7 water molecule. Cr2O7 2 minus 7 water molecule. At the same time, that side 7 OH minus, right? 2 Cr3 plus 14 OH minus. Already 7 is there. 7 OH minus will be added. So 7 plus 7 total 14 OH minus. Right? H plus over. Next, the fourth step is charge balance. Charge balance with electron. Here H to the quick hiding. Right. Now charge balance. See here minus 2 0. Right. The plus 6. This is the plus 6 Actually plus 3. Plus 3 means 2. Plus 6 here only minus 2. Of course here minus 14 is there. Minus 14 plus 6 means 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Here minus 2. What is the variation? 6. Now where I have to keep the electrons? Right side or left side? Left side I have to keep. Because electron means negative charge. So here how many electrons I have to keep? 6 electrons. Now you can write it again charge if you want. Minus 2, minus 6. Total minus 8. Either be minus 8, minus 8. Balance. Now here I am writing this equation Fe2 plus Fe2 plus Fe3 plus. I have one electron. This is the plus 2, this is the plus 3. Where I have to keep the electron? Right side. Because minus होगा balance. Suppose somewhere कोई क्वेश्चन में if you are getting electrons adding, suppose दोनों केस में left side is there, means somewhere you did the mistake. Here the reactant I am adding electron. 100% here the electron should be added in the product side. Okay, suppose here product है तो इधर reactant side होगा, क्योंकि final में वो cancel होना चाहिए, right? दोनों केस में suppose one side you are getting means somewhere you did the mistake. Immediately you have to realize and you have to do correction somewhere, right? This is the one logic, right? Now in the final balancing equation there is no electrons. So what to do? Multiply with 6 to make it this electrons equal, right? Simply I can do here 6 Fe2 plus gives right 6 Fe3 plus 6 electrons. Okay, now everything balanced. Now what to do? These two reactions mix it, means addition. Okay, then that reaction I will take it here. Smaller than there, no? That's why Fe2 plus gives rise 6 Fe, no? 6 Fe3 plus 6 electrons. Now see, the electrons get cancelled. Right? Next, H2O nothing. Just write it as this. Is there anything is there to get cancelled? No. Right. Final equation. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 Fe2 plus 7 H2O is gives rise 2 Cr3 plus 6 Fe3 plus 14 OH minus. Generally this H plus and OH minus we will write end. Main elements we will write first. Still if you have any confusion you can check it once again. Cross checking. 2 chromiums, right? 6 iron, right? 7 oxygen plus 7, 14 oxygen, right? 14 hydrogens, right? Still charge minus 2 plus 12, that means plus 10. Here plus 6 plus 18 minus 14, that means 10, right? Everything balanced. Still if you have any doubt you can check the previous answer which we did in the oxidation number method. Once you check it, same answer, right? That means correct. Note down. This half reaction method is also known as ion electron method. Okay. In the competitive exam you can solve by any method, but in the board exams, if they mention ion electron method, then you have to do in this method only. Okay. So please first split the equation, then balance the other than oxygen and hydrogen. Next oxygen balancing, next hydrogen balancing, next charge. The sequence: first other than, oxygen, hydrogen. First, second oxygen, third hydrogen, fourth charge, charge. Fifth, addition of two electrons, two reactions, addition of two reactions. Here you have to follow one rule: if same terms are there, get cancelled. That's all. Okay? Same terms are there, just like mathematical equation. Same terms are there, get cancelled. This is the final equation.